Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with an installation review for the SuperShieldz glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy Frontier. The S3 Frontier, it also works on the S3 Classic, so any one of the S3 watches you can use this on. What's nice about this is this package actually comes with 3 different screen protectors in it. So I got it for less than 10 bucks on the Amazons. I'll put the link in the drop down so you can find it yourself if you so wish. You can watch my troubles here with getting the box open. It's really not as hard as it looks. I was just not having a good day for opening boxes. So it does have installation instructions on the inside cutout there on the packaging. So if you need to follow those, go ahead. Otherwise, you're welcome to follow along with me as I put the screen protector on my watch. So I got this the other day, and as you can see there, three different individual packages. So you've got 3 screen protectors. There's 3 of everything in here. 3 microfiber cloths, 3 alcohol prep wipes, 3 lint stickers, 3 of everything. So I got a good deal on the watch. It was on sale for 109 bucks. I don't know if it still is, but I got it through Costco. I think they sold out, but I wanted to go ahead and make sure I had a screen protector to put on there because I've got this fancy nice watch. I don't want to risk scratching up my screen. So going through inventory of the contents there's a microfiber cloth, the extra ones off to the side there. And then one of the most important parts is, of course, the little sticker, which helps get the additional lint or debris off of there. And I don't really know why they put the alignment stickers in there, because you can't even really fit them on here. This little piece of tempered glass is so small. But the first thing you want to do is go ahead and get the alcohol prep pad. Let me zoom in here so you can see. You want to start with a clean surface. So even though it's brand new, we want to go ahead and take the alcohol wipe and clean off the lens. So once we get that cleaned off, go ahead and we'll get the microfiber cloth so we can dry it off and get any excess liquid off of there. And of course with the Frontier and the S3 watch, you can put your palm over it and turn the display off. Now we're going to get our dust absorber sticker. Use that, and I highly recommend you go around, make sure you use your fingernail or something to push and get the edges of the bezel there to make sure you pick up any excess, lint or anything that could have got trapped underneath there. So there's not a whole lot of science behind this. Really, it's just use sticker, get dust off. So it works really well, and definitely don't forget to miss that step. And then once you get done with that, you can go ahead and put on the screen protector, which you can see there is very tiny. It has the one little pull tab on it, which pulls off the protection for the adhesive. And then we're going to try and line it up with our fingers as best as possible. Drop it into place. It's just slightly off center there, so I'll scooch it over. And bam, Bob is your uncle. Let me turn the screen off there so you can see the glass screen protector. I got it first try, was the charm. No bubbles, no anything underneath it. And it just worked out brilliantly. So now we've got tempered glass screen protection on top of our Samsung Galaxy S3 Frontier, or with the regular classic model, and you can see easy peasy. So if you got any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments section. I can walk you through part of the process or answer any questions you may have. And as always, guys, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time.